Good day, tech readers. Today we're considering the Sennheiser GSP 500 gaming headphones. Now, if you've never heard the name Sennheiser, well, you've been missing out. Sennheiser is one of my favorite brands of all time. They're specialized headphone and microphone makers. They do a couple of other things too, but that's what they're best known for. And the Sennheiser signature sound is what always attracts me to them. I find it a very civilized, very European sound, but they've broken out into gaming headphones. These are not their first gaming headphones. I think these are the third generation gaming headphones. But what immediately sets these apart, you can tell from the styling, they're exciting and racy in their own way, but the build quality is absolutely extraordinary. Consider the two-way swivel hinge we have here, fully metal aluminium hinge, heavy duty for serious wear. And of course Sennheiser made their name in microphones, so as you'd expect the boom mic to be extremely high quality. It's like somewhat adaptable, adjustable in different directions. Other little gimmicks we like are the twist dial for the volume control. I think that's a really nice touch, much better than looking for buttons and fiddly other controls when you're in the heat of battle. Simply a dial control strikes me as the best way to go. Unique to these kinds of headphones, I haven't seen this before, is the adjustable headband on top. If you look very carefully, you'll see it actually does adjust the shape of the headphones, and this is the amount of pressure it's exerting on the side of the head, which is really important for gaming because you're going to be wearing them for hours at a time. So we like that little touch from Sennheiser as well. The memory foam cushions are as soft as you'd expect. They're cloth covered, so not leather or plastic, so that makes them a lot more breathable. The sound is of course second to none. You could pay twice as much for a pair of headphones and not get sound as good as this. It's not cheap, of course. These cost 3,500 Rand, but the bass is extremely springy as opposed to woolly, and a lot of that is due to the open nature of the headphones on the back, where the sound can actually breathe instead of reverberating inside the cup. So you get a much tighter bass, which makes them great for music and of course gaming. These are the Sennheiser GSP 500, 3,500 Rand for superior audio, both microphone and music sound, adjustable headphones, and extremely sturdy brackets on the side.